case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark environmental case in 1981, Minnesota vs. Clover Creamery Company, the Supreme Court of the United States considered the trade-off between environmental protection and interstate commerce. The saga began in 1977 when the state of Minnesota introduced a somewhat contentious law. According to the new edict, the sale of milk in plastic non-returnable containers was banned outright. For some, this was seen as an overstep on the rights of free commerce, with the decision provoking an immediate legal challenge by the aggrieved party, Clover Creamery Company. However, at the first hurdle, the Minnesota District Court sided with the respondents, declaring the law not only null and void, but also an unenforceable affront to the Constitution's guarantees of substantive due process, equal protection, and the prohibition of unreasonable burdens on interstate commerce. The state of Minnesota, undeterred, sought to appeal the original ruling, mounting a robust defense in favor of the ban. The state argued it was absolutely crucial for bolstering their environmental protection efforts and for conserving their resources. In a turn of narrative, the Supreme Court decided to uphold the ban. They ruled that the state's justifications for the law were indeed significant and outweighed any potential negative impacts on companies outside of Minnesota. Citing the Commerce Clause of the Constitution, they ruled that states are not restricted when implementing legislation around areas of local concern, such as environmental protection and resource conservation. In making this decision, the court highlighted that the ban was important for easing solid waste disposal and that despite the shift in business dynamics, no economic sector was unfairly discriminated against. Thus, as per the Supreme Court's ruling, the override of interstate businesses by state environmental concerns was deemed not only fair, but also constitutionally justifiable.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class